Hi, welcome to the 4th edition of the Africa Venture Finance Program. We're here at the beautiful campus of the Said Business School, University of Oxford. This week we're bringing together 42 African VC managers for a week of in-person training at the University of Oxford. We're bringing together DFIs on the Thursday. We have sessions on venture debt, on AI, on fund performance. This is the best week of the year for me as an organizer, and I hope also for these fund managers. Thanks to you a lot.
We are doing the African Venture Finance Program this week. It's going to be an excellent week working with 42 African fund managers. Come along.
If you combine that with fewer failures, some might be maybe 1Xs, 2Xs.
I think it's important to organize events like this. People need to exchange ideas, and that happens best when you come together. And VC, venture capital, is one of the ways to do that.
If you are looking to invest in how technology and innovation can have a transformative impact, Africa is probably the best place to do it right now. That's one first reason. But the second reason is it's an ecosystem that, despite COVID and the crash of the VC ecosystem, the overall VC ecosystem in Africa have grown 10x over the last 10 years. I don't think you can get that anywhere else.
The resilience of the market has been remarkable. And this is particularly important because a consistent market, a market that is growing, attracts other investors, which is the ultimate goal that we want to achieve. So that was very, very remarkable.
So the Boost Africa program has given me a very good opportunity very early on in my career. So it has sort of opened up my mind into the possibilities of investing in Africa.
Is Africa a good place to invest?
Yes, it's an amazing place to invest.
Yes, definitely. Please invest in Africa. There's so much that we need to build and develop here on the continent. Again, it's the youngest continent, so there's a lot of work to be done here.